Horses out, the Abigail's wings past the begin alongside second Kudos. Stormgas down on the inside third and followed by Top Notcher. Chip of Stop and Samba trails the field. Back to the leader, we have Eagles Wings by about 2 lengths. Kudos now trying to get closer in second and in third Stormgas. 6 lengths in fourth, Chip of Stop, then followed by Top Notcher and Sambata. And it's still Eagles Wings by a length and a half. Kudos is on the outside second, is Stormgas in third. As they come down at the last 150, Eagles Wings is running by Drell alongside Kudos. Eagles Wings down on the inside, Kudos alongside, and comes Stormgas. But it's still Eagles Wings alongside Kudos, Stormgas. Eagles Wings still in front, Kudos on the outside. And hitting the finish line, it's Eagles Wings, Kudos, Stormgas. Then comes Chip of Stop. Number 1, Top Notcher and Sambat.
Ganda ng salida.
Relegated to
Eagles.
third choice na lang yan.
Ha?